What's up, wood nerds? Welcome to my woodworking garage. This is where the magic happens, mistakes are made, and I pretend to know what I'm doing. Let's check it out. First stop, the heart of the operation, my workbench. Look at this beauty, full of paint, scratches, and is that coffee from last week? Anyways, this is where I turn nice wood into questionable furniture. Remember, measure twice, cry once. This here is my trusty cordless drill. It's got 3 settings, too fast, too slow, and why is this screw stripped again? Every woodworker's best friend until the battery dies midway through the project. Over here is my wood collection. Oh. Right here is my wood collection. I keep every piece because, you know, I might need a 2-inch chunk of oak someday. Here's where I keep a nice little collection of plywood and other pieces of wood. I have a little space up top for some extra wood and space behind this for the scrap wood that I keep just in case. And behold, the CNC machine, my high-tech overlord. This is a Inventables X-Carve Pro, 2 foot by 4 foot. This machine cuts so precise it makes my handiwork look like a toddler's art project. Downside, it's smarter than me. And I'm pretty sure it's judging my woodworking skills. Watch this. Okay, maybe later. And in this corner, we have the beloved jet dust collector. This thing sucks like a vacuum from the future. Without this, I'd be coughing up a lumber yard by noon. Pro tip, empty it before it turns into a sawdust volcano. And right here we have the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with a dust collection hood. It has a stop block. It makes me feel like a geometry wizard. King of clean cuts. My ticket to feeling like a woodworking rock star. Check out this setup. Dust hood, stop block, and more storage than my kitchen. Watch me as I nail this cut. Check out that cut. Smoother than my pickup lines. Right here, we have the King of Queens, or Queen of Kings, or center of my shop. I added the Bosch router table with the old school router lift. Fits perfectly into this rigid table saw. And right down here, I used to house a small shop vac before I got the dust collection. But now I just place a bag to catch all the extra sawdust, simulating a cabinet saw dust collection. And moving on to the next part of our tour is this corner right over here. Come on, check it out. Here we have the jointer and planer in a desperate need of an upgrade. I'm not going to explain. And moving on to this corner is where I keep my Festool multifunctional table. Perfectly pairs with my cordless Festool track saw. Thanks, Festool. I'll be waiting on your call. Moving on over here, this is where I have a little bit of a desk going on. This is where I come to think and scheme. Here's where I keep my phone charger, my speakers, nuts and bolts, and a couple hand tools right here. Let's bring us to our last stop in the woodworking shop tour, my assembly table. The Polk design with a quick access to your hand tools. Right now I'm assembling a couple of drawers. A tour of my woodworking wonderland. It's messy, it's chaotic, but it's where I make things that are mostly functional. Like and subscribe, let's keep that sawdust flying. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the shop. Drop a comment, let me know about your most epic fail. And that's it.